Today's topic is previously I explained keys and continue of that keys is for huge amount of database different types of keys are there. Primary key, super key, candidate key, foreign key. Not only these four, mainly we are used only these four only. Okay, first I am explain about super key. Okay, first I am explain about super key. Okay, what is meant by super key? Definition of a super key is a set of attributes. Okay, super key is a set of attributes. Attributes means why we are using the super key. By using the attributes, we can identify each row uniquely. By using these attributes, we can identify each row uniquely. Okay, for example, this is the table of student table. Okay, this is the student table. These all are the fields. This is the student table. These all are the fields. These all are the set of attributes. For example, roll number is the one, and name, section, class. All these four are the attributes. All these four are the attributes. These four are the set of attributes. Okay, set of attributes. We can identify each row uniquely. We have to identify this row uniquely. Means 501 is unique. Roll number 501 is the one unique. Okay. And another point, super key consists of any number of attributes. Okay. Super key consists of any number of attributes. Okay, any number of attributes, not only single, any number of attributes. Okay, let example. I am taking student table. Student consists of roll number, name, sex, age, address, class, section. I am taking only these fields only, not only these fields. We have to take many more. Okay, I identify each row uniquely by using this. Okay, first one, roll number, name, sex, age, address, class. I am not taking section. Why? Because by using this also, this is a super key. Okay, why? It is a set of attributes. By using roll number, I identify one particular student. By using roll number, I identify one particular student. And take another fields. By using this, I am taking class, section, roll number. By using roll number, I can identify one particular student. This is also one super key. Why? This is a set of attributes. Okay, and take name and address. This is also a super key. Okay, this is also a super key. By using address, we can identify one particular student. Why? We don't take roll number. Okay, by using address only, we have to find one particular student. Why? Means one address. Okay, only the address. Retrieve the particular student without the roll number, sex, age, class, section, because particular address location contain only one student. Only one student.